Beer pong isn't just for undergrad college students anymore. It has become one of the most popular drinking games around the world, enjoyed by millions. With the best beer pong table, you can be sure that your drinking game will be enjoyed multiple times without having to worry about a table that is breakable, too small, or not portable enough to take to the location where you wish to play the game, such as a tailgate before a game or event. Unfortunately, there are a lot of these tables on the market, and it can be very difficult to determine which one to buy and which ones rather to skip. We've researched and discovered the 7 top-rated beer pong table, as well as one to avoid. And now for the Freshness.com reviews of the 7 best beer pong table, plus one to avoid. Coming in at number 1, professional beer pong table with optional cup holes. After extensive research into various options, we found that the best beer pong table is the professional beer pong table with optional cup holders. As the name implies, you can select to have this particular option with or without the cup holders. While some people do enjoy this feature, others do not, adding greater flexibility to your purchase. This product is an 8-feet table that comes with high-resolution graphics, along with a bong pawl holder that is attached to the table. The table also provides a blank space where you can specify your own rules for playing beer pong on your table. Coming in at number 2, PongCaddie Revolutionary Beer Pong Table. The best table for beer pong in cases where you might want to spend extra money on a product that you will be sure is of better quality is the PongCaddie Revolutionary Beer Pong Table. This one is more expensive than many of the other options, available at just under $200. The table is, however, made from durable and high-quality materials. The table also comes with attached PongCaddie nets, ensuring the table tennis ball will not hop off the table. You can easily fold this beer pong table and carry it around you, as it does not weigh too much and folds up to a compact size. Coming in at number 3, GoPong Portable Beer Pong Table. If you're looking for the best portable beer pong table on a budget lower than $100, then you should definitely consider the GoPong Portable Beer Pong Table. This one also easily folds up into a compact product that looks like a suitcase. It is easy to carry with you and features a lightweight design to reduce the burden of having to carry a heavy object with you when going to a party. The table features an 8 feet length and is made from a high-quality aluminum material. In addition to the table, the product also comes with 6 pong balls at no extra cost. You can choose between 4 different designs when buying this beer pong table. Looking to learn more about the best beer pong table in this review? View the links in the description section and click to learn more. Coming in at number 4, beer pong table with cup holes and color-changing LED. For those looking for the best heavy-duty beer pong table that will also add more fun to the event, the beer pong table with optional cup holes and color-changing LED might be an ideal option to consider. This table is made from top-quality materials, while the glossy design at the top features an attractive design. The table measures 8 feet in length and featured LED lights that can change colors. The product can easily be folded into a carry case and even comes with handles and a latch, making it also one of the more mobile solutions that you are going to find on the market today. Coming in at number 5, folding beer pong table with bottle opener, ball rack, and 6 pong balls. The best affordable beer pong table for anyone looking for a table with a more creative set of graphics is the Red Cup Pong Folding Beer Pong Table with bottle opener, ball rack, and 6 pong balls. As the name of the product suggests, this is a complete kit that does not only include the main beer pong table, but also comes with additional accessories, including pong balls and a ball rack. The table also features a built-in bottle opener, making it easy to open up new bottles of beer that need to be used to fill up the cups on top of the table. Coming in at number 6, beer pong table with dry erase surface. Next on our list is the beer pong table with dry erase surface, a very convenient option for anyone looking to add something more unique to their parties. This product comes with the option to have cup holes built into the table, reducing the risk of spilling beer all over the place. The built-in LED lights also makes the game more fun, and they change color based on the activity that occurs on top of the beer pong table. You can select from a variety of models with different designs available when you decide to buy this particular table. Coming in at number 7, Versapong Portable Beer Pong Table with backpack carry case and balls. The last option we want to share with you in terms of the top beer pong tables on the market is the Versapong Portable Beer Pong Table with backpack carry case and balls. This is another kit that comes with everything that you need to get started playing a game of beer pong, except for the actual beer, of course. This is also a very unique option, and is perfect for you if you find yourself on a lower budget. This table set is smaller than the traditional options and also more portable. You can easily fold it and place it into the included backpack to carry with you wherever you go. The premium grade metals and other materials used to manufacture the beer pong table also adds more durability to the product for a longer lifespan. Finding this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite beer pong table. Click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive fresh weekly video updates. And now for the freshness.com beer pong table to avoid. Cameron's portable beer pong table. To finish off our list, we want to share what is, at least in our opinion, one of the worst beer pong tables on the market. This would be the Cameron's portable beer pong table. Sure, this particular table might not seem like the worst one available by first glance, but be sure to do some background research, and you'll find that it is not made from the same durable materials that other options are made of. Furthermore, it has been found that, even though this is a folding table, you will likely run into problems when you do get to the folding part. Furthermore, the beer pong table seems to be very unstable on certain terrains, which can surely be unpleasant when trying to enjoy the game. And now for the freshness.com final thoughts on finding the best beer pong table. While playing beer pong is a really great game to add to any event where the beer will be served, without the best beer pong table, you may be at risk of spoiling the evening. With so many options that you have to filter through, things can quickly turn from an experience that is supposed to be fun to an irritating and difficult task. Fortunately, by just taking a few factors into account, your search for the perfect beer pong table can be greatly simplified, and you'll end up finding the one that is perfect for you in just a couple of minutes. We listed some crucial points to consider when you search for a good beer pong table, and also provided you with an overview of the best options that are currently available on the market. Looking to learn more about the best beer pong table in this review? View the links in the description section and click to learn more. Did you find this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite beer pong table. Click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive freshly weekly video updates.